Yeah, man. Wanna go on YouTube? Hope all you guys are staying safe out there. We're installing our brick tie. You know, you always want to bend it right here. Boom. Just like so. Boom. Put it right where you see the nail. If there's no nail, you knock it to get the sound of the rafter on the inside. And not boom boom boom, bang bang bang. You find it. One there. Now we're gonna put our paper. So down there work 01. Now we want to mark 01 on our post right here, right now. Earlier I measured down there, and that corner told me that is make 01. So now all you want to do to get your 01. You want to go in the middle of 0 and 1. So this is 0 and this is 1. You want to mark right in the center. Right in the center of 0, 1. That's where we're going to lift our line. Just like so. And then we're going to continue on with our wall. Okay, so now we already marked our 0, 1 down here. Now we need to lift up our line from right here to this brick. That's good enough. Let me put a bit of tension on this line here. Okay guys, so it's going. So today I'm gonna try pick and dip for the first time. I'm gonna use you guys as the judge. Tell me how I'm doing. Feel free to leave a comment down in the bottom. I won't take it as an offense. It's my first time to try pick and dip. is a bit too wet. But I'm trying to let it work. A bit too wet for pick and dip, I think. Bear with me guys, this is my first time trying pick and dip. So tell me what you think down in the comment section. I think if I practice this pick and dip trick, I think I will do well in doing it, because I kind of like it. I find it more easier on the model, because the model don't dry out